Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we build this awesome metal resin curing chamber in anticipation of the Elegoo Saturn arriving. Let's check it out. Hey guys, so in this video, I talk about this awesome metal resin curing chamber that I'm building in anticipation of the Elegoo Saturn arriving. I bought this metal box from IKEA. It's called a Legsholt. It's super easy to put together and requires no screws or anything unless you wanted to hang it on a wall. I was going to go with their smaller Legsholt, but because of the build volume of the Saturn, as well as any 3D printers I buy in the future, I wanted to get a larger model. So this box is a 14 by 14 by 14 inches box and should well accommodate any 3D print I make through the Elegoo Saturn, as well as maybe some larger resin 3D printers I may buy in the future. The instructions for this box were also fairly easy to follow as well. Now for the reflection of UV light, which is crucial for an even cure in a resin curing station, I decided to go with this chrome carved vinyl wrap. Some people use mirrors, some people use things like this, which just has a sticky side on one side and then is reflective enough for what you need. I do also plan on putting UV lights around most of the sides of the inside of this box, so any reflection is good enough for me. The carved vinyl wrap was fairly easy to install, except you will notice on the inside there's a fair amount of air bubbles. I did get better as this went on, so in some of the later sides there's less air bubbles. Overall though, I am happy with both how the box and the reflective carved vinyl wrap turned out. This video is part 1 of 2. Next week's video I will install the UV lights and a rotating solar powered turntable, which will be for my 3D prints. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.